Good day, class. We'll be drawing a curtain on our motion class by solving this JAMB question on the board. We have an aeroplane lands on a runway at a speed of 180 km per hour and is brought to a stop uniformly in 30 seconds. What distance does it cover on the runway before coming to rest? So we have the option on the board. It's a JAMB question. So we have solution. So we have the data on the board. We have 180 km per hour. The body is not starting from rest. So our final velocity is 0. And our initial velocity is 180 km per hour. So we need to convert 180 km per hour to meter per second. So we have 180. If you want to convert to kilometer to meter, you multiply by 1000. You convert hour to seconds, you divide by 3600. So we finish the work. 20 cancel 20. 18 here 10, 18 here 2. 2 here 1, 2 in 10, 5. So we have 50 meter per second. So that's the initial velocity. But the question is telling us that it brought to a stop uniformly in 30 seconds. So time is 30 seconds. So we apply v squared. That's the third equation of motion. But don't forget, the body is not starting from rest. So this part of the equation will be minus. So we have v squared equals to u squared minus 2as. But acceleration is not given in the question. So we go back to v equals to u minus at. That's the first equation of motion, but it's not starting from rest. That's why we have this minus. So we put in the figure. Our v is 0. Our u is 50. Our acceleration not given. Our time is 30. So we have, if we bring minus 8 times 30, it will be 38 equals to 50. So A will be 50 over 30. So 0 cancels 0. So 5 over 3 meter per second square. So let's apply this equation of motion. We can go back to the equation of motion here and put in the value to get our distance. So we have v squared is already 0. U squared is 50. That's 50 squared minus 2. Our acceleration is 5 over 3. Our distance is our acceleration is 5 over 3 and our distance is s. So 50 squared means 2500 minus 10s over 3. So this is 0. So when we bring this here, if it crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus. So 10s over 3 equals to 2500. So 0 can cancel 0 here. So we have s will be 250 times 3. And 250 times 3 is 750 meters. So our distance in the question is 750 meters. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube video, hurry up, quickly go and subscribe and watch all the questions I have solved on motion. If you are a JAMB student or you want your ward to benefit from our classes physically, you can visit us in Ikorodu 4 Mega Olaboshede Crescent, Berigbe Road, Ikorodu, Lagos. Ask for Dream Dreams Tutorial Center. You will be rightly guided. Bye for now. See you in my next video. I'll be dropping a curtain here. Bye. See you.